quite a various updates today on this video, as well as a claiming for everybody who utilizes the Jumper exchange. We're gonna go and talk about that. So we jump straight onto the laptop right here. And the first thing I want to talk about is that I did a few changes within my Sanctum strategy if you are utilizing it. And what I decided to do is to take a little bit out of the Jupiter Solana over here and go and collect all of the 18 pets or NFT or whatever you want to call it. So I have all of them in case it could be some sort of multiplier or request for the airdrop going down the line to try and avoid the cyber and whatnot. But if you want to join the Sanctum airdrop over on Solana, I will leave you the link, my referral link down below. If you wish to support me, thank you very much, that would mean a lot. But I did change the strategy and I put 0.1 Solana on all of them, so they are going up pretty slowly as you see over here. But I did have a comment saying on my YouTube video that the point system would go up way more if there was the possibility of doing this. Now, I probably misinterpreted it because I just started recently. I didn't start from day one, so potentially that's one thing. But I am seeing the increment of the level kind of in a same way, like also scaling through the ranks, as it does. All of the pets give you 10 experience or 35 experience points per every Solana, every miner, or whatever it is. So the going up, as we see over here with the one, seems pretty much the same, but I did utilize it in case there is the possibility for the, any multiplier or what to have all of the 18 pets as well. If you didn't join yet, or if you didn't do it yet, you can go and utilize it and do the quest over on Sanctum. We have one more day until tomorrow that the quest will go live. So all the answers to the quest 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you will find them over on my Twitter. The link is down below. So just go follow me there and you will see all of them. Following up, we got something about the Nostra Finance airdrop, which is coming soon to the Starknet situation, to the Starknet ecosystem, which could potentially bring a little bit of life to that ecosystem that seemed pretty much down and out, but it could revive it a little bit. We got over here the contract, the token, the core, the address, and everything. It's back into it with the decimal, the symbol, the name, and the token address as well within the Starknet ecosystem. We see it over here as well from a Starknet delegate, which did tweet out. They have the possibility also of there was a voting for the name and the symbol. So it is coming really, real soon. Following up, we got a linear distribution point, LXP, over here. So go and check your wallet. I personally did not receive this LXP, this, possibility or points, as I do have 1.6k, which was kind of the same that I had yesterday and the day before. But it does seem that there are a few transactions of the value of the LXP token. And let me know down in the comments below if you did receive this linear LXP token or if you did not receive any of it. Let me know all down in the comments below, as I do wish to understand a little bit more of the situation. I want to take a couple of minutes to go and thank you, the sponsor of this video, which is Welfare Finance, and they are having a live pre-sale right now. As you see from the screen, and as you're seeing from the screen while I'm talking, you have the possibility to go and know all the information about this project more in details, have the possibility to run and be investing in a master node, have the possibility to be part of it, have the possibility to have a pre-sale, what the pre-sale is all about, what is the rewards from this pre-sale by holding this token after their NFT in 2022, which they did run a pre-sale as well. As you see, also the CEO and co-founder, it is doxed out. We have his photo, we got the LinkedIn profile. It is the same guy that did run the pre-sale, which we did talk about in the past videos as well. So definitely go and inform yourself. I'm no financial advisor. I'm just giving you the opportunity to understand more about this, and they are sponsoring this video. So thanks to them to have this space in this video. But if you wish to have more information, I will leave you all the links down below and all the possibilities that they have and that they offer and what do the investor receives from it. They purchase the Class B shares, which is the offering, or the 2022 NFT holders are eligible of up to 50% of the net profit, less capital expenditures of the Welfare Finance, and as determined by the board of directors. They got a digital security token, vested interest, we got a profit share that they are offering, and the common stock, and much, much more. But go and check out everything down in the link below, and I will leave you all the information. Do your due diligence research. Do not go and jump in simply because I talk about. I expose it to you and you go and do your own due diligence research. With that said, thank you for watching this part of the video, and now back to the original video. Next up, we got the Tetanus Finance over here, that the claim portal for the 8-week of intern Arbitrum token incentivize is now open. So I will leave the link down below. This is the claim portal over here, the link. I personally did not participate in any of this. They got a chance to claim 5,000 Arbitrum from the pool that they've got. Simply, I will leave you the link down below. It's the same one over here. As you see, they do not allow any comments, so that's even the best thing, so that you do not risk with any fake profile or any fake nothing. I will leave you the link down below, and all you have to do is simply also going through their official page down here as we see it. We can simply go to the Tetanus app over here and then the /rewards, which you have the possibility to find it either on the airdrop situation or on the reward situation once you go and connect your wallet. Following up, we got the UPT or the uprock.com.token, which is coming up, which is the premier deep-in network fueling the AI. Over 350,000 followers. The airdrop checker and the launchpad page is now live, and the eligibility voters can check their airdrop allocation, and we can see it directly as we see over here. This is the same page from Solana Floor. Let me go and follow them, as it is important I do. You can go directly to the Uprock page over here, which has 350,000 followers as we saw, and the Jupiter LFG launchpad site for the UPT token is now live. You can go and link this and claim it directly from the LFG page over here, jupiter.agro/uprock, as it is one of the official pages. You can go over here to claim the allocation, which I do have the UPT. I got 10 UPT token, and I do believe this is kind of a situation with the price being at 4 cents right now. You know, it is 40 cents, but it is one of those, for example, like the meme coin or something like that, which has been. So you can claim the UPT. Marker fee might get, so not claimable yet. Simply go over here. You have the possibility to go to SolScan, and you will see the possibility of the transfer, the change amount, and everything that happens. So definitely something to go and consider, this one, which you can also go to the Jupiter aggregator website over here, the LFG, as we see, and then we can go over and go to the introduction or the process, then the when, the Jupiter DAOs. These are the launchpad token. We will see the app token as well really soon on it. So definitely something to keep in mind as the Uprock Premier over here, your premium mobile DPN on Solana. I do believe that you, as well as everybody else, did receive this this 10 UPT, which you can claim over here. Please join Discord after claiming and hang out with us. The airdrop will be claimable until the 2nd of July 2024. There is no rush to claim, so simply once it's claimable, will be claimable when trading begins, as we see right there on the down right corner. So we just need to wait for that, but it will come eventually really soon. Even though now it's 40 cents, potentially we could see, as we see over here, 16 cents, 20 cents, whatever it is. Let's go and see what it will happen, but let me know what you think. As of right now, $1 of this one will potentially give you 300 token, if I am not mistaken. Following up, we wanted to talking about the Jumper exchange and the Mode Network raffle claiming airdrop situation. If you did trade on Mode, and if you did go and participate in, you could have the possibility to be part of the OP giveaway or the Mode Network giveaway over here. I am not eligible for this, even though I did train, I did trade with it, I did bridge in and out of Mode, I did do some swaps, I did do some bridges, but let me know, potentially you are going to be eligible for this. So definitely a hats off to you, and definitely a prop to you if you are eligible. We got the eligibility. The participants who have completed a Mode campaign missions are eligible for these raffles. The verification participant must complete the verification process to be eligible. The verification will result in your sharing your Jumper exchange data with Li-Fi. The verification entry must be checked weekly. So the verification and entry deadline, you got a winner, follower, disqualification, etc. And last but not least, we got a Cosmos airdrop update over of the Key AI or the KAI token. That it looks like the Kintex Finance or the KFI once token was being rebranded to the Key AI token, and the airdrop, which was previously confirmed as consuming or coming for consumers of the Atom, Osmos, TIA, Injective, and Matic staker, should be coming in Q2 with leaves 33 days. So if you are once again a staker of the Atom, Cosmos, TIA, Injective, or Matic token, you will be rewarded once again. Potentially it's not gonna be hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. can potentially look at a $1, $2, $3, $10 maybe, hopefully, just to go and reutilize it for the airdrop later on. But with that said, make sure to go and complete all of the quests over on Sanctum. Make sure if you want to join, very important, I will leave you the link down below. So thank you very much for your support. I would suggest to grab 18 out of 18 owned pets with an absolute certainty of it. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, ciao.